Understanding Dim the Lights, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, dim the lights. This phrase is used frequently in everyday conversation and various contexts, so understanding its meaning and usage is key for English learners. Let's dive in. Dim the lights is a phrase used to describe the action of reducing the brightness of lights. The word dim here means to make something less bright. When someone says, dim the lights, they are requesting to lower the intensity of the lighting in a particular area. This can be done for various reasons like creating a certain mood, reducing glare, or preparing for a presentation. In everyday life, at home, you might dim the lights for a movie night to create a cinema-like atmosphere. In restaurants, lights are often dimmed to create a romantic or intimate setting. In professional settings, during presentations, dimming lights in a conference room to make a projection screen more visible. In theaters, lights are dimmed before a play or a movie begins. Idiomatic usage. Sometimes, dim the lights is used metaphorically. For example, dimming the lights on an era implies the end or a significant change of a particular period. Could you dim the lights? It's too bright in here. The restaurant dims the lights every evening to create a cozy ambiance. As the movie started, they dimmed the lights in the theater. Understanding phrases like dim the lights can greatly enhance your English comprehension and conversational skills. We hope this video has shed some light, pun intended, on this common phrase. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.